I.
What is that?
I. I.
Hey, can you say, oh my? Say, oh my. Oh my.
Ew.
Ooh. Look at those piles of movies you've made on the table there. We're going to throw all those away, aren't we? You say hi? Say hi.
I.
What is that?
I.
Mm-hmm.
I.
Actually, you can activate it from
I.
a land phone.
Sitting on the table, I know. You're not supposed to be sitting on the table, are you? Karen's got all of her crap up on there, too.
That's going to go over in just
Here it
one.
goes. Ready?
Ew.
Ooh. Well, there's one.
We got a bunch of stuff that needs to go over to.
Uh-oh. Where'd it go? We don't know. Okay.
Ew.
What's that? Is that a movie? Alright, maybe not.
I. Ew.
Can you drink? Can you say please? Hmm? Look, we're playing Jenga. That is really precarious there. What are you looking for, bud?
I.
What? The flashlight? No? What?
I.
Well, go get it. You can get it. Go ahead.
I. I.
I know.
I.
Say mama. Mama.
I.
Say please. Please. Yeah, very good. Rub your belly. You say thank you. Look. Thank you. Thank you. You say more. What's more? It's close. Very good. More. Very good. Yeah. Say more, please. Please. Say more, please. Say that's more, Daddy.
Drink it? No.
No, he's showing you the symbol. Say more, please. Huh. Yummy. Goodness. Goodness. Are you done? Yummy. Huh? Yum, yum. You like them Pringles. Pringles is yummy. Mm. There you go. Where's your nose, buddy? Very good.
I.
Daddy's nose.
Where's your ears at?
Where are your ears?
There you go. Where's your tongue?
Yeah. Where are your eyes? Eyes. Very good. Where's your hair? Very good. Very good. Where's your hands? Do you know where your hands are? That's it. Can they wiggle? Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Where's your feet at?
Oh, where are your feet?
Where are your feet at?
Your feet. Oh, you got shoes on? You got 2 shoes on? Sometimes we don't. We have to check. Mama have a chip? Mommy have a chip. Okay, please. Mommy have a chip? Okay, maybe not.
I think that's a no.
Maybe no. Okay, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you later.
Say bye-bye.
Got wave.
We're chilling.
Yeah, look at this. Sitting with his feet up. Like, yeah, no big deal. I'm sitting on the table, that far off of the floor. My feet on the chair. Eating chips. You're a booger. Ready? Say bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.